country. And that's why I say there's a challenge of nationhood, and perhaps as you teach the children in the competency-based curriculum, where I want to thank His Excellency the President, William Samoei Arap Ruto, for having decided that CBC is not going anywhere, and that it is going to be revised and looked into. That is an intellectual talking. Because you know as well as I do that there is nothing perfect. Somebody tells you that something is perfect, that person is a fool. If you have a friend who agrees with you all the time, that person is a fool. Because a normal person should be telling you what you don't want to hear. Are we together? Not yes, sir, yes, sir. You should be able to tell even your boss that Your Excellency, Upper, I think it is like this. So if you have a friend who always says yes, 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 huyo sio mzuri, weka kando. Are we together? In terms of recognizing teachers further, I want to say without any iota of contradiction, government is continuous. And as you know, I am a product of the 2010 Constitution, which said you could also tap on the thoroughbred technocrats like myself. And therefore, I want to state that the government has constructed 10,000 classrooms as per the directive across the country. Perhaps the point the Kenya Kwanza government should take note here is that a sizable number of these classrooms have not been paid for. His Excellency the President has promised to make sure that they are paid, because these classrooms were actually done by his people at the lower ground. He has a name for them. He calls them